Ever wondered about the health benefits of avocado oil? Well, this nourishing elixir from nature is a powerhouse of nutrients with a unique composition. Bursting with monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and vitamins, avocado oil is a silent champion of our health. From promoting heart health to enhancing skin glow, from nurturing your hair to boosting your eye health, it's an all-rounder. In the next few minutes, prepare to be amazed by the health wonders of avocado oil. Avocado oil is not just a kitchen staple, but a health superstar. Let's delve into the myriad health benefits of this versatile oil. First off, it's a heart hero. Avocado oil is brimming with monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. These fats are instrumental in reducing LDL, the so-called bad cholesterol, lowering blood pressure, and decreasing the risk of heart disease. Next up, it's an antioxidant ace. Avocado oil is flush with antioxidants like vitamin E. These help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, and protecting our cells from damage. It's also a skin savior. The vitamin E in avocado oil makes it a natural skin moisturizer. It hydrates, nourishes, and improves skin elasticity while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Those with skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis may find its anti-inflammatory properties particularly beneficial. Moving on, it's a hair hero. Avocado oil is a coveted ingredient in hair care products due to its moisturizing and nourishing qualities. It hydrates, strengthens, and reduces frizz, promoting luscious hair growth. It's an eye enhancer too. The lutein and zeaxanthin in avocado oil are beneficial for eye health, protecting against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Avocado oil also acts as an inflammation inhibitor. It contains phytosterols, known for their anti-inflammatory properties, reducing inflammation linked with various chronic diseases. The health benefits don't stop there. Avocado oil is a nutrient absorption amplifier. The healthy fats in it enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, maximizing the nutritional benefits of other foods in your diet. It's also a digestive darling. Avocado oil soothes and protects the lining of the digestive tract, promoting gut health. For those with arthritis or joint pain, it's a joint guardian. Its anti-inflammatory properties help improve joint function. Lastly, it's a weight management warrior. Despite being high in calories, the monounsaturated fats in avocado oil promote satiety and help control appetite. When consumed as part of a balanced diet, it may support weight loss or maintenance. It's clear that avocado oil is a powerful ally for maintaining good health. Avocado oil truly is nature's nourishing elixir for health. Bursting with heart-friendly monounsaturated fats, antioxidant protection, and essential nutrients, it's a powerful ally in promoting overall health. It's a natural moisturizer that enhances skin vitality and a nourishing tonic for lustrous hair. It even aids nutrient absorption and supports digestive health. Not to mention, its anti-inflammatory effects can help soothe aching joints. Whether in your kitchen or your beauty cabinet, avocado oil is a beneficial addition to a healthy lifestyle.